MoonDust eLearning presents the Moon Twins as they give you an introduction to ecology and an understanding of how ecology works. Be sure to visit the MoonDust eLearning store on the Teachers Pay Teachers website using the URL shown here to get your free follow-along handout as well as many more resources. Let's get started. Ecology is the study of the relationships between living and non-living things. Biotic factors are all the living things in an ecosystem. Abiotic factors are all non-living things in an ecosystem. Abiotic factors include the soil, air, water, sunlight, and temperature within their environment. The survival of all organisms depends on their interaction with other organisms as well as non-living things. Scientists collect data on the interdependence of these relationships. The data they collect gives insights into how humans can help or may have interfered with the survival of these organisms. Humans impact the environment and organisms through pollution, deforestation, habitat degradation, and poaching. The hierarchy of life. These groups of all living things are each ranked from the smallest to largest and enclose a previous hierarchy. For example, a population is a group of individuals. The root of the ecological study of an organism concerns how it interacts in its environment, its habitat, and its niche. A bird's habitat is a tree, and its niche would be its place and role in that tree within the ecosystem. The food chain has levels known as trophic levels, which explains how each level obtains its energy. Grass is a producer. It makes its own food. The rat eats the grass and is a consumer known as a herbivore, who has to get its energy from a producer. The snake and the eagle are carnivores that eat only other consumers. Once an organism in the food chain dies, it will be decomposed or broken down by bacteria and fungi known as detritivores. Food webs are intertwined food chains showing most organisms consume more than one type of animal or plant. The producers in the food chains or webs are responsible for converting sunlight or chemicals into a food source for itself. All consumers have a place in the food chain or web by eating either the producers known as herbivores or other consumers known as carnivores. If they are able to consume both, they are omnivores. They are organisms that need to consume other organisms for their food source. Now you have learned, what is ecology? You've learned about the importance of the relationship and interactions between living and non-living things, biotic and abiotic factors in the environment, a hierarchy of life, the human impact on the environment, food chain and food webs, chemosynthesis and photosynthesis, as well as the role of consumers.